In the warmth of home we gather near. Through laughter and love we hold so dear. Each moment shared, a treasure to find. In this circle our hearts are entwined. Through ups and downs we stand as one. In every battle we've already won. With every story our bond grows tight. Together we shine like stars in the night. Oh, family first, through thick and thin. In every challenge, together we win. With hands held tight and hearts so true. Family forever, I believe in you. عائلة معاً سنعيش الحياة. From the little things to dreams so grand. With each step forward we make our stand. Through all the seasons, through joy and pain, our love remains like the gentle rain. In every heartbeat, in every sigh, family's the reason we learn to fly. Through every storm we find our way. Together forever, come what may. Oh, family first, through thick and thin. In every challenge, together we win. With hands held tight and hearts so true. Family forever, I believe in you. قلب واحد عائلة واحدة. So here's to the love that never fades. In the light of our dreams, no fear invades. Through laughter and tears, we'll always be a family bound in unity. Oh, family first, through thick and thin. In every challenge, together we win. With hands held tight and hearts so true. Family forever, I believe in you. قلب دايما الحب الأبدي. From the little things to dreams so grand. With each step forward we make our stand. Through all the seasons, through joy and pain, our love remains like the gentle rain. In every heartbeat, in every sigh, family's the reason we learn to fly. Through every storm we find our way. Together forever, come what may. Oh, family first, through thick and thin. In every challenge, together we win. With hands held tight and hearts so true. Family forever, I believe in you. قلب واحد عائلة واحدة. So here's to in the desert, silent, endless sea, the pyramids rise in majesty. Built by hands both strong and wise. They touch the stars, they scrape the skies. Each stone speaks of a distant age, of pharaoh's dreams, of history's page. They stand through time, a timeless art. The pyramids hold Egypt's heart. Oh, pyramids, guardians of the sand. You carry secrets in every hand. Whispers of kings and legends bold. Your stories carved in كل حجر. Beneath the sun's eternal light, you cast your shadows day and night. From Giza's plains to heaven's gate, you watch as centuries resonate. Oh, pyramids so vast and wide, with mysteries that you still hide. In every brick, a tale untold of gods and men, of wealth and gold. Oh, pyramids, guardians of the sand, you carry secrets in every hand. Whispers of kings and legends bold, your stories carved in stone and gold. صوت الأبدية في كل حجر. Sun's eternal light, you cast your shadows day and night. From Giza's plains to heaven's gate, you watch as centuries resonate. Oh, pyramids, so vast and wide, with mysteries that you still hide. In every brick, a tale untold, of gods and men, of wealth and gold. Oh, pyramids, guardians of the sand, you carry secrets in every hand. Whispers of kings and legends bold, your stories carved in stone and gold. حراس الزمن أنتم الأبدية. At night you glow beneath the moon, a silent song in ancient tune. The winds that blow across the dune carry your echoes forever in tune. مجد مصر للعظيم في كل قلب. يا بلدي يا حكاية الزمن، في قلب النيل يتلألأ الذهب، تاريخ عريق يحكي لنا العجب. أهرامات شامخة تلامس السماء، مصر الجمال في كل سطر وندى. فوق الرممان تسير القوافل، ترقص تحت الشمس وترسم الجمال. بلد الأهرامات والنيل العميق، حكاية الحب والقلوب النبيلة. مصر يا جنة الدنيا، في كل زاوية في كل سطوة الألوان تتراقص، الأضواء تلمع. مصر حبي لك لا ينتهي، يا مصر روحي بين أحضانك. في أسواق خان الخليلي نبض الحياة، عطور وزهور فرحة لا تنتهي. من البحر الأبيض إلى الصحراء، مصر هي الحلم في كل الفضانك. كل زاوية تثروي قصة أجدادنا، كل حجر يحمل صوت حكاياتنا. الشمس تشرق على الأهرامات، وفي كل قلب تسكن الآهات. مصر يا جنة الدنيا، في كل زاوية في كل سطوة الألوان تتراقص، الأضواء تلمع. مصر حبي لك لا ينتهي، يا مصر روحي بين أحضانك. يا مصر روحي بين أحضانك. الفتى، أحن الذكريات في قلبي الفتى. تاريخك المجيد هو دليلي، مصر فيك انتمائي ووطنيتي. مصر يا جنة الدنيا، في كل زاوية في كل سطوة الألوان تتراقص، الأضواء بتلمع. مصر حبي لك لا ينتهي، يا مصر جسر المحبة السماء. يا بلدي يا حكاية الزمن.
On Bachelor, there is a place for art and culture softly great. Summer like streets with trees so high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Cafes hum with laughter bright, the city's heart in every light. On this island calm and wide, you'll find the spirit of Cairo's pride. Oh, Zamalek, where the riverside gleams, a place where life becomes sweet dreams. From quiet parks to lively nights, you shine in Cairo's soft delights. حلم المدينة على مياه النيل. The bridges span from shore to shore, a world of peace but so much more. Our galleries glow with endless hue, the soul of Egypt shines through you. The palm trees sway in the evening breeze, Zamalek whispers through the trees, a cultural gem so full of life, where day and night there's no divide. Oh, Zamalek, where the riverside gleams, a place where life becomes sweet dreams. From quiet parks to lively nights, you shine in Cairo's soft delights. حلم المدينة على مياه النيل. The bridges span from shore to shore, a world of peace but so much more. Our galleries glow with endless hue, the soul of Egypt shines through you. مدينة الفنون جزيرة السكون. At sunset the skyline glows with golden light, the Nile flows. In Zamalek every path you take feels like a dream you'll never shake. Oh, Zamalek, where the riverside gleams, a place where life becomes sweet dreams. From quiet parks to lively nights, you shine in Cairo's soft delights. الزمالك في قلب النيل للأبد.
أشرار يحرسها أبو الهول. In the desert's golden sand, a giant watches o'er the land. Silent eyes that have seen it all, the rise, the fall, the ancient call. Carved in stone, a riddle deep, through endless years it doesn't sleep. The Sphinx with grace and endless might guards Egypt's history, day and night. Almighty Sphinx, you hold the key to ancient wisdom mystery. With desert winds and timeless gaze, you've watched the world through endless days. حارس الصحراء بعيون الخالدان. What stories lie within your smile? What secrets of the Nile? Pharaohs past, empires too, yet you remain ancient and true. Your paws stretch wide, your face serene, a monument to all that's been. The pyramids rise behind your throne, but you, O Sphinx, stand alone. Almighty Sphinx, you hold the key to ancient wisdom mystery. With desert winds and timeless gaze, you've watched the world through endless days. ملك الألغاز صامت لكنه يتكلم. The stars above, the sands below, you've watched millennia come and go. Your lips don't speak, but still they say, the past is here, it never fades away. Almighty Sphinx, you hold the key to ancient wisdom mystery. With desert winds and timeless gaze, you've watched the world through endless days. Adventur في قلب التاريخ للأبد. What stories will hold في قلب التاريخ للأبد. In the desert's golden sand, a giant watches o'er the land. Silent eyes that have seen it all, the rise, the fall, the ancient call. Carved in stone, riddled deep through endless years, it doesn't sleep. The Sphinx with grace and endless might guards Egypt's history, day and night. Almighty Sphinx, you hold the key to ancient wisdom mystery. With desert winds and timeless gaze, you've watched the world through endless days. Your paws stretch wide, your face serene, a monument to all that's been. The pyramids rise behind your throne, but you, O Sphinx, stand alone. Almighty Sphinx, you hold the key to ancient wisdom mystery. With desert winds and timeless gaze, you've watched the world through endless days. Melodic.
نهر النيل روح الحياة, flowing through the heart of time. The Nile tells stories in every line, from Aswan's breeze to Cairo's glow. It carries secrets only it can know. Fishermen cast their nets at dawn as the river whispers, moving on through desert sands and cities gleam. The Nile holds Egypt's endless dream. Oh Nile, you're the river of gold, with ancient mysteries yet untold. You guide the land, you shape the way through endless nights and breaking day. لا الحياة في كل موجة. Along your shores the papyrus grows, with every breeze your story flows. Pharaohs watched you deep and wide, their legacy still lives by your side. From temples carved in ancient stone to cities where the future's grown, the sun sets on your peaceful grace. You've seen the world in every face. Oh Nile, you're the river of gold, with ancient mysteries yet untold. You guide the land, you shape the way through endless nights and breaking day. Glow, you gently sigh, reflecting stars in Egypt's sky. A lifeline through the sands of time, your song is Egypt's ancient rhyme. Oh Nile, you're the river of gold, with ancient mysteries yet untold. You guide the land, you shape the way through endless nights and breaking day. نيل العظيم في قلوبنا إلى الأبد. You gently sigh, reflecting stars in Egypt's sky, a lifeline through the sands of time. Your song is Egypt's ancient rhyme. نور العصور نهر قلوبنا إلى الأرض. كل شيء صحيح. I step into the market's maze, lost in the colors, lost in the haze. Golden lamps and silverware shine, ancient treasures in every line. Spices swirl in the warm night air, perfumes linger everywhere. Every step a world to find in Khan al-Khalili's endless mind. Oh, in the bazaar when the world collides, wonders and stories come alive. From silk to gold, from spice to tea, the heart of Cairo's mystery. العجائب في كل زاوية. I hear the sounds of drums and strings, the voices of merchants and songs they sing. Come my friend, take a look, they say, jewels and scarves to brighten your day. Lanterns glowing, casting light, turning the evening into night. From every stall, the past anew, the soul of Cairo shining through. Oh, in the bazaar where the world collides, wonders and stories come alive. From silk to gold, from spice to tea, the heart of Cairo's mystery. I wander deep among the treasures I'll always keep. The charm of Cairo, rich and wide, is found in Khan al-Khalili's pride. Oh, in the bazaar where the world collides, wonders and stories come alive. From silk to gold, from spice to tea, the heart of Cairo's mystery. Khan al-Khalili في القلب للأبد. Through winding paths, I wander deep. I wander deep. Winding paths, yes, so. تاريخ وحياة. Through Darb al-Ahmar's winding streets, where old and new worlds seem to meet, the mosque rise tall, the walls stand proud, a city alive with echoes loud. In every corner, tales unfold of craftsmen's hands and hearts of gold. From domes to arches, whispers glide. Darb al-Ahmar holds time inside. Oh, Darb al-Ahmar, you breathe the past. In every stone your shadows cast. From Sultan's Gate to narrow lane, your spirit sings in endless rain. مديد الأجداد في كل خطوة. Along the streets, the colors gleam, craftsmen's works like a living dream. Copper, leather, wood and clay, a piece of history in every way. The citadel stands high Darb al-Ahmar, a soul so deep, a secret only Cairo keeps. Oh, Darb al-Ahmar, you breathe the past. In every stone your shadows cast. From Sultan's Gate to narrow lane, your spirit sings in endless rain. أصوات المدينة في الرياح القديمة. At night the lanterns softly glow, guiding those who wander slow. A place where time forever blends. Darb al-Ahmar, where history never ends. Oh, Darb al-Ahmar, you breathe the past. In every stone your shadows cast. From Sultan's Gate to narrow lane, your spirit sings in endless rain. Darb al-Medina for Lubna ila al-Abada. Ila al-Abada. Ila al-Abada. Ila al-Abada. Ooh.
نحن دمنا أرض الشمس والأرض. Under the sky so wide and blue, I walk where Pharaoh's dreams came true. Through desert sands I see the past, a history built to forever last. The pyramids stand tall and bright, guardians of the day and night. Oh, Egypt ancient, proud and free, your magic calls deep inside of me. Land of the Nile, where the stories flow, full with secrets only the winds may know. From Luxor's temples to Cairo streets, the heart of Egypt never skips a beat. واحد الروح أهرام المجد. Beneath the stars of S1 sky, I feel the gods of old nearby. In every stone, in every sound, a piece of Egypt's soul is found. The Sphinx she watches with her gaze, through endless years, through endless days. The sun that sets on Alexandria's shore holds memories of legends evermore. Land of the Nile, where the stories flow, with secrets only the winds may know. From Luxor's temples to Cairo streets, the heart of Egypt never skips a beat. أما الدنيا نور الحضارات. Oh, the Red Sea whispers so serene, of treasures hidden deep beneath the green. The Valley of Kings where rulers sleep, in Egypt's heart their memories we keep. Land of the Nile, where the stories flow, with secrets only the winds may know. From Luxor's temples to Cairo streets, the heart of Egypt never skips a beat. الدنيا للأبد في القلب. Beneath the stars of S1 sky, I feel the gods of old nearby. In every stone, in every sound, a piece of Egypt's soul is found. أما الدنيا للأبد في القلب. land of the Nile, where the stories flow, with secrets only the winds may know. From Luxor's temples to Cairo streets, the heart of Egypt never skips a beat. أما الدنيا ذو الأبد في القلب.
I grew up where the tower stands tall, casting its shadow over us all. The night would whisper, the streets would hum, in the city where I'm from. The sky was white, the streets so bright, Cairo Tower in my sight. From dusty roads to city lights, I found my dreams in those endless nights. Oh, Cairo Tower, you watch me grow, from a boy to the man I've come to know. Your silhouette against the sky taught me to dream, to reach up high. انت الشاهد على أحلامي، بروج القاهرة. The streets were full of laughter and sound. With every step my roots were found. From Zamalek's charm to Tahrir's call, I learned to stand, learn not to fall. Through crowded markets and quiet parks, Cairo's spirit left its marks. But every time I looked above, that tower was my sign of love. Oh, Cairo Tower, you watch me grow, from a boy to the man I've come to know. Your silhouette against the sky taught me to dream, to reach up high. انت الشاهد على أحلامي، بروج القاهرة. بروج القاهرة، أحلامي تعالي. Now I stand with dreams so clear, that tower's still standing near. It's all my childhood, it's all my fight. Beneath its gaze I took my flight. Oh, Cairo Tower, you watch me grow, from a boy to the man I've come to know. Your silhouette against the sky taught me to dream, to reach up high. يا برج القاهرة، أحلامي تعانق السما. Oh, Cairo Tower, you watch me grow, from a boy to the man I've come to know. Your silhouette against the sky taught me to dream, to reach up high. يا برج القاهرة، أحلامي تعانق السما. أحلامي تحالي. صباح الحياة قاهرة النور. In Cairo streets, the world's alive. The city wakes as the sun starts to rise. From Tahrir Square to Old Zamalek, I feel the pulse, the city electric. Buses honk, the vendors shout, the smell of spices all about. Falafel frying, tea in hand. In Cairo's chaos, I understand. Oh, Cairo, city of dreams and dust, a mix of madness, hope and trust. From morning's rush to the quiet nights, Cairo shines with endless lights. روح المدينة في كل زوايا. of gold. I weave through streets, a maze of life. Laughter echoes, joy and strife. With every turn, there's something new. 1,000 years, a timeless view. Oh, Cairo, city of dreams and dust. A mix of madness, hope and trust. From morning's rush to the quiet nights, Cairo shines with endless lights. قلبك ينبت قاهرة عظيمة. In the cafe I sip mint tea, watching life move endlessly. The minarets call, the sun sets low. Cairo hums with its ancient glow. Oh, Cairo, city of dreams and dust. A mix of madness, hope and trust. From morning's rush to the quiet nights, Cairo shines with endless lights. Medina